Hi! In front of me is Nokia G11 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this device. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in iOS launcher. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and choose Open. Now wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, choose while using the app and allow in all of them. Then finally select Home button. Now click on Always and then go into Devices Settings. After that, choose Apps and Notifications, click on Advanced and select Default Apps. Finally, click on Home app, choose iOS Launcher, click on Got it, and as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Nokia. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into the same settings and tapping on Quick Step or iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!